Meet the ultimate game changer for your manicure, Modelone's Gel Nail Polish Top Coat. Designed for durability and shine, this 50 ml top coat creates a flawless, mirror-like finish that lasts 28+ days without peeling, chipping, or fading. Acting like a protective glass shield, it enhances the vibrancy of your gel polish, while keeping your nails strong and scratch-resistant. Formulated with high-quality natural resins, it is non-toxic, low-odor, and skin-friendly, ensuring a safe and smooth application every time. Unlike ordinary top coats, Modelone's prevents yellowing, smudging, or dullness, maintaining a salon-fresh look with every wear. The self-leveling formula glides on effortlessly, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Plus, with its 50 ml large capacity, you can enjoy more applications without the hassle of frequent repurchasing. For best results, pair it with Modelone's Gel Polish, the perfect combination for a long-lasting high-gloss finish. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional nail artist, this top coat guarantees salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Remember to test before use and avoid overfiling to keep your nails healthy and strong. Have any questions? Modelone's is always here to assist you because flawless nails deserve expert care. Elevate your manicure game with Modelone's Gel Nail Polish Top Coat, where beauty meets durability.